Hi, Christopher Hughes for BoatTest.com, and today we're in the Sea Ray facility, and we're going to take a detailed look at Quiet Ride. It's a process that Sea Ray came up with to reduce noise, vibration, and harshness of the ride. Let's see what it's all about.
Like many luxury boat builders, Sea Ray is constantly working to improve boating, and their latest efforts focus on noise reduction. Sea Ray has developed a proprietary process to reduce noise, vibration, and harshness. They do this through a fundamental change in the build process with advanced design and engineering and acoustic materials. Historically, sport boats in the mid-20-foot range have had wide-open throttle noise levels ranging from about 87 decibels to a high of 97 decibels. In a recent survey conducted among 12 popular 25-foot bow riders, we found the average top speed noise level was 91.5 decibels. It was for these reasons that Sea Ray engineers set about to create its Quiet Ride technology. It wasn't easy, simple, or cheap, but according to our recent tests, Sea Ray has accomplished significant reductions in noise and vibration levels in its Quiet Ride equipped boats. Before showing you how much sound was reduced, let's take a look at how Sea Ray did it. One of the largest sources of noise on any stern-drive boat is from the transom. It is there where the engine is connected to the lower unit, which is connected to the props. Much like a musical instrument, such as a guitar or piano, the transom acts as a sounding board. When it vibrates, it expands the sound into the engine room and throughout the boat. In cooperation with Omni Products, Sea Ray has introduced a patented technology which tunes the transom. This unique transom short-circuits the vibrations before they get transferred to the hull. The tuned transom uses materials that are used in jet planes and high-speed trains to reduce the noise. No other company that we know of is using this technology. Perhaps one of the cleverest innovations is the actual lamination into the hull, deck, and liner of material that converts the pounding energy of the water into heat rather than vibration and noise. Sea Ray has also engineered every part in the boat to fit to very high tolerances. Every void in the liner is now filled to eliminate low-frequency noise. Hulls, liners, and decks are structurally bonded to reduce vibration.
This is a piece of the hush cloth, one of the acoustical installations that they use. Again, there are several steps to the Quiet Ride. One is design, the other is materials. This is an example of the material. It's just peeled off here, and it goes inside and coats whatever compartment they're trying to reduce the noise in.
Nor-Seal tape is applied between the deck and rub rail to bed screws. Neoprene isolators are used between fuel tanks and brackets, thereby absorbing vibrations and noise. Rubber gaskets are used under and around window frames and all around hatches and doors. Finally, the engine room bulkhead is full beam and laminated into the hull sides, just as done on far larger boats. 1-inch thick acoustic foam is attached to the bulkhead and all over the engine room to trap and absorb the sound where it's made. All engine room hatch cracks are covered with the foam, which is compacted when the hatch is shut. Foam is sprayed into other locations inside the liner and under the deck to close off the noise passageways. Now for results from a recent test, I'm going to let Captain Steve tell you what he discovered.
In my test at wide open throttle, I recorded 47.9 miles per hour and 79 decibels. At best cruise of 3,500 RPM going 28.9 miles per hour, my sound reading was 76 decibels. When I compared that to previous versions of the Sea Ray 250 SLX, I note a huge improvement in noise reduction. When I compared it to 6 other current models in class at top speed, I see that the Sea Ray 250 SLX is from 9 to 17 decibels quieter than the others. At 3,500 RPM, the Sea Ray 250 was from 6 to 13 decibels quieter.
A reduction of 10 decibels equates to a 50% reduction in noise, and in our opinion, Sea Ray's new Quiet Ride technology is a revolutionary improvement in the quality of boating on the water. For BoatTest.com, I'm Christopher Hughes.